guys, Running Kimono here. So I'm gonna put these two little deals in the front of the video because guess what? I forgot to mention them in the video. So with the Covergirl lip cosmetics, there's a new IVC book. As you can see, we have a 4 off of 2. Tons and tons and tons of Covergirl lip products are on clearance. You must grab them in sets of 2, so 2 of them would be $4.78. Subtracting the 4 off of 2 IVC, you're paying 78 cents for 2 Covergirl lipsticks. Now, before you ask, can I use a manufacturer coupon with that? If you have, I'm not sure what it is, like $1 or $2, you would need the balance of like $1 or $2 for that to work. But my experience with Covergirl coupons over at Walgreens is that they mostly beep. So I would pay the 78 cents and just call it good. Very inexpensive lip care. So if your store might have a ton of this might be a deal for you. And yes, you can grab more than one set. So if say you wanted to get like 6 lipsticks in a transaction or 8 lipsticks in a transaction, the IVC will reduce, you know, $8, $12, $16, whatever it is. So good luck with this, guys. I know a lot of you really like lip products. Another deal courtesy of Sacktown Couponer over on Instagram. There is this Bulldog, which is a men's shaving line. The lip product is $3.99. There's a $2 IVC found in the July Big Book of Savings, plus a $2 Peely. I believe that Peely's been found either on the lip balms or on other products. You might have to root around, but they've been found at Walgreens. Stack the two together. You're paying nothing out of pocket. Now, there is a penny discrepancy, so obviously you're going to need something to grab it in your order, but it just, from this, it looks like the two are stacking. So good luck with that, guys. That's free lip balm, so how wonderful is that? So if you could track down those Peelies and you have something else in your order, I mean, I would definitely try and pounce on this deal. This is something called redemption, and I had 3 transactions at Walgreens today that went perfectly. No mistakes on my part, no mistakes. Everything worked. I did the little deal with the Gillette deodorants, and these 2 guys printed out and the $3 coupon came off. A lot of shoppers are saying various scents. It has to be the gel. It's working with this, that these 2 are printing. So good luck with that, guys. I mean, free deodorant is the best kind of deodorant. And this went beautifully, and I only got 3, and I followed the rules. And this went, well, fantastically as well. And just to note, guys, these are $4 for the first. The second one is 2. So $6 for 2 Scott's Comfort Plus. Even if you wanted to throw in 5,000 points, or if you might have like a register reward, I mean, go for it. This is the week to stock up. You're paying $3 for a 12-pack of toilet paper. They're almost giving it away. So get creative. I have right now $17 of register rewards. So I think I'm gonna get some toilet paper this week and just do it, you know, slowly and make it happen. And I got some more Dove. This is my mom's favorite. So I got her 2 more of those. And then I finally picked up this lady. I forgot yesterday because I was doing such an awesome job of extreme couponing. So grabbed one of these. And then we have some Walmart finds, including something from Brickseek for $5. We'll talk about that one first. Weather report for you guys, and hi to my mom if she's watching. It is a hot 90 degrees today, and it is really, really hot out there, guys. So, I mean, go shopping first thing in the morning if you can, and if you're living in certain states where the infection is just out of control, stay home. These deals are good, but they're not that great to possibly, you know, get sick out there. And anyhow, it's just a really hot one, so I would go in the morning, because I went this afternoon and I was like, that's even too hot for me, and I know what hot is. Let's talk about this right off the bat. So the freebie guy posted this on his Instagram last night around 8 o'clock. The Conair, this specific one, is $5. I think the original price for this is like $23 and some change, almost 24 bucks. So I think that's about 70% off. So this is $5. Where I specifically found this is, you know where they have all the really expensive flat irons in that section of the store with the hairbrushes and all that great stuff? If you look at a Sky Shelf, which is the top shelf, that's where it is. So what you're gonna have to do, guys, if you're interested in grabbing one of these, I grabbed a couple because I'm gonna give them away as gifts. is to, let me look for that UPC. You can either do one of two things. Go to BrickSeeks, look up this, or you could type in the SKU as well. It might be the same number, and it'll show your store and the amount. Now, the thing with brickseek.com, it's kind of like a treasure hunt, and even though it says it might be in stock, it might be in the back, it might not be on the floor, and it has to be on the floor for you to kind of pounce on this deal. So just to note that, because I know it's very, very frustrating, and I'll be really honest, the last time I went to try to find a BrickSeek deal, it said that it was in store. There was like 9 of them, and I couldn't find them no matter where I looked. And then today, by luck, because I looked up at the very top of a sky shelf, and I'm 5'7", so it's no problem for me to just lean up a bit and grab it. But they were at the top, and my store had like, I think about 10 of them. So I think I got maybe 5. I have a lot of sisters-in-laws, and I thought that this would make a really nice like Christmas gift. So definitely go to BrickSeek, type in the SKU, and then I would also go sooner than later, because this sort of a thing where you have a hairdryer of this caliber for $5, it goes pretty quickly. So anyhow, delighted, and I did stock up on these because I thought it was such a great deal. Now in the tea aisle, lots of items are also on clearance. Now unfortunately guys, there were so many people in the tea and coffee aisle, I could not do, you know, my Ansel Adams photography. It was like grab whatever and get out of there, because I didn't want to be near people or in their space. So this Teavana, this is definitely really good. This is a Starbucks product actually. The Teavana, a really great price point. And then this guy, I hope this is a good price point. I think it was on clearance, 24 of these for $2.50. I think it's closer to $5, the original price. I usually buy the Coffee Mate in the big container, but what I have been noticing is that when I do run out of this, I never have a backup. So I'll just, you know, keep these. It's non-refrigerated, and it's good until January of 2021. So I got 2 of them, so I'll definitely use them, or, you know, I'm probably gonna use them because I'm a big coffee drinker. So you're definitely gonna wanna look in this aisle with coffees and teas, because lots of this stuff is on clearance. And thank you to the freebie guy, because he had both the coffee stuff and Mrs. Conair, and like that is a stupendous little find. I did grab while I was in there was the AHA. This is a sparkling beverage, 0 calorie. It's $3. You're gonna have to pay that out of pocket. And the app Shopkick is giving back 700 points, which is basically $2.80. So you're paying 20 cents for 8 cans of sparkling beverage. I mean, they're practically giving that away. That has reset for me now, I think 4 times. So, I mean, just such a great app. If you have not signed up, check out the link in the notes. When you walk into a store the first time, or walk into the store and scan a barcode, you're going to be given $1 if you use my link. So how great is that? So that was Walmart. Talk about Walgreens. So the deal that I showed you this morning is the deal that I did. I followed it to a T. The first items that I grabbed was 2 of the Tide Free and Gentle. These guys are $4.99, and the pack of pods $4.99. So $14.97 for these 3. I only grabbed 3 as well. I used 2 $2 coupons from the June P&G and 1 digital for this one. I also grabbed 2 of these guys, which are the Gillette deodorants, and they are 2 for $10. When you buy 2 for $10, you get back a $4 and a $3 register reward. And then when you buy 3 of these, you get back 1 of those. So you can see how great that is. To get my basket right to 25, I also grabbed one of the 88-cent Snickers. Last night I gave my husband one of these. It's like I gave him a brick of gold. He was so happy. So for all of this merchandise, guys, the 2 Gillettes, the Tide, and the Snickers, don't forget the candy bar. That's a subtotal of $25.85. I handed over 2 $2 coupons that the cashier scanned. Now I had this booster right here loaded to my store card. Alternatively, here it is, just a little printout they had this at the front of the store that you can grab. It's just the highlights of the greatest sales because they have no more flyers anymore over at Walgreens. So that was loaded. I had a $3 coupon for this and a $2 coupon for that digitally. So another $5 came off. I had to pay $16.85 cash out of pocket because with that goofy booster, this guy, you have to pay cash. So then what I got back was 5,000 points as I spent 25. I got back these two for the deodorant, which is a 4 and a 3, and a nice little $5 one. So it made it free plus a 15-cent money maker. So I was really delighted with that. Deal that I did, I grabbed 2 of these Scott's toilet papers. They're on a buy one get one 50% off, and this is $4 and that is $2, so that's $6 for the 2. And then I grabbed 2 of the foaming body washes and then 2 of the men's body washes. So for all of the body wash, it's $21.71, $6 for that. That's a total of $27.71. I had 2 buy one get one free coupons. So $6 came off for this, $6 came off for this. My new total that I had to pay out of pocket, guys, was $15.71 plus my tax. I got back 5,000 points as I spent $25 on this. I had my booster loaded digitally. So I got my 5,000 points. And then I also got back 2,000 points, 1,000 for every 2 from Walgreens. So it made it $8.71 for the 6 items or $1.45 each. I mean, that's just a phenomenal price. My mom swears by this and I'm happy to get her a bunch this week. You know, with that old saying, when there's sunshine's out, make hay or whatever it is. So I'm definitely trying to get a couple of those for her because that's her favorite. And I mean, this is just a fantastic deal. And this also printed out, and if you missed my video from earlier this morning, there's going to be a beauty event from the 11th to the 13th. So these sort of coupons are definitely going to be where it's at. I'm definitely going to use that. It's valid till August the 24th, so I can use that. And I have so many register rewards too, so I'm going to definitely get some more toilet paper because that's something I really need in my stockpile. And then another item that I forgot to get, but I finally got it today, was this Depends silhouette. This lady is $5.99. There is a $2 IBC coupon. You can load that digitally or get it scanned from the Big Book of Savings, plus a $3 manufacturer. After both come off, guys, you're paying 99 cents, and 99 cents for this product, it's not the worst thing. And I think for this one and the purchase of these and this, I got back like 300 points from the Fetch Rewards app, which is like really decent. I hope you guys are having a really great day. I'm happy that things turned around for me because yesterday, I mean, I don't ever really make a lot of mistakes, but I just made some big ones yesterday. But we all, I mean, everybody does. And I think it's a culmination of just like the spike of like really hot weather and just running around with a mask on my face and trying to do everything perfectly. I mean, sometimes it does catch up with you. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.